was still cutting out labels like a little kid and loving it. Straighten up a little bit of this mess from yesterday when I had the bottles, the different bottles like this. These are the kind I use, you know, like at my house. But I do them in different ways, you know, like this. Home up the dram. Anyway, what's going on with you? Coming to see who is tuning in over here. It's that time of year again, right? That kind of year. Flowers are good. I love flowers. I remember I used to date this guy. He was like, flowers? The girl I'm with, he was my ex. The girl I'm with, she likes platinum and gold because it doesn't die. I said, I get it. But I still like the flowers, though. I like the flowers. I like the chocolate. All of it doesn't last, right? It all goes, right? All of it. Even the oil fragrances, like my watermelon. I got the watermelon in, just so you know. The watermelon is bussin', as they say. You can burn it, wear it, spray it. And when I say spray it, you put it in a little spray application and spray it around. Pour a little bit, you know, and wear a little bit. Put it on a light bulb, hot or cold, and just scent that whole area out. I got my love potion on. I always have my love potion on. This is a love potion video, actually. I always got my love on. It doesn't matter what day it is, right? We still do it. And I apologize because I'm not on Livingston anymore. That's my old identity. Because it really is. It's my old identity. It's what I used to do and how I used to do it. But I still say smelling amazing because I love fragrances. We love fragrances. If I go somewhere and I see some fragrances, and it's an instinct, though. And if I trust it, I will smell it. I'll be like, oh, what do you have? Let me see. Or even if I go to the carryout stores, if I go to different places, I am guilty of smelling different things. But at the end of the day, the way I do it and the way I start it, I go all around worldwide, baby, and get my fragrances. And then I just share them with others. That's how I do it. That's how I do it. But I'm doing my love potion. And like I say, my little bottle. This is a bottle that I have personally. And I'm going to mix some stuff into it. And like I said, again, I apologize because I'm not on Livingston. But I'm here. I'm here. I'm online. My number is always on the bottles. And I make sure of that. When I first started, I didn't have any number on there. I was just selling them, you know, like whatever. But my numbers are on the bottle, and you can always message me here. And yeah, this is the love type of year, right? Yes. Let's mix the potion. Now, my mood. All fragrances go by your mood, right? I like flowers. I like gold, too. You know, I like getting a gold necklace and, you know, ring and all this. Yeah, I like that, too. But I like the essence of the fragrance, too, because that lasts long, too. I did a post, too, saying that it lasts longer than a pack of cigarettes or your favorite cigars or your favorite meal. And it's true. So, I mean, unless you get the pound. I mean, you can get the pound from me. That'll last you a long time. It'll last you is what I'm saying. The pounds last. So does the 2 ounces last too. It just depends on what you're getting. But we do glass, right? We do glass. We're not perfumes here, but we are types. And the type only means the same scent. Like the jasmine notes or the fresh fruit note or the crispy notes. So that's all it is. That's why oil is called the type. It's the type, like the cologne that has the alcohol in it. This is just the oil. So it's a type. It's the same type. So that's how it is. Let's do this potion. I'm thinking, what's my mood today? My mood is just neutral. My mood is saying hello. So a hello, something would be like wake me up, right? A hello. I think I'm going to do watermelon in the mix. I got an air freshener. You spray it. That's what I'm saying. You could spray it. Don't say it. And I just poured it in here from this. Or even if you get the little one, even if you get a little dram, you can still spray it. You could pour it in things. Take tops off of cleaning solutions. Take tops off of your favorite body washes and put it in there. So you can do it too. You can do it too. This right here is a mixture. Actually, my mood here, this one bottle has like 4 scents. It has white diamond in it. I put baby powder. I put a little bit of Coach Floral. a little bit of my mix, and that's what it is. I twisted it out, and it smells good. So I'm gonna put some of that in my potion. Let's do it. Where's my dropper? I think I just want to do a dropper of it. I got this little fancy smancy thing I'll be using. Let's see. It's a dropper in there. Yeah, so we can do the dropper. Let's do a dropper like this. Suck some of it out of there. Yeah, let's do it like that. Put that back on there. Because I have a bed, I'll spill it. It'll spill. Let me snap it back from here. Let it go back on there. I think that's tight enough though. Just put a little bit in the bottle here. Pour that down in there. That right there is a potion within itself. And then I'm going to put a little watermelon in here. And I'm just going to spray it. I'm not going to say it. Sweet. Okay. Let's see what else I want to use. I'm gonna bring the big boy out. I painted my stand. It used to be brown, and then I wanted something different. So I painted it this color. So this stands out a little bit more. I think it stands out a little bit more. Let's see. I'm looking for scents to add by my mood. Just giving me an idea. Because people get off of the stand, you know what I mean? They like to get off of the stand. Okay. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. I don't want anything woodsy in it, like frankincense and myrrh and all of that, which are nice, but I don't want anything woodsy because that's going to take over. I just want something that's going to complement the fruit I put in there already. So I'm thinking of something like a Patti LaBelle or something, just a bit of it, you know what I mean? Just to give it a little, because there's so many scents though, but I'm thinking of Patti LaBelle. And there it is. Patti LaBelle right there. But that's the dram though. You can get a dram. You know, when you give gifts, doesn't have to be any kind of day. It could be Christmas, New Year's, just a day to say I love you. Hi, how are you? I'm here. Try to see what people like first, because I've been talking to a lot of people, and when holidays come up and different things, they don't like the things that they get. You know, they really don't. They just tolerate them. So with the oils, I think it's different notes that you could give, and not only that, if they don't like the scent, they can use it for other things, like put it on their carpet, put it on their hands if they smoke cigarettes. If they have any kind of odor, they could always sprinkle that around the oil, you know what I mean, without the alcohol smell. So it's nice, you know. So just kind of get a feel for what people like. And if you go around people and they don't smell like nothing, then you get them something light, like a white musk, or not even Egyptian musk, or amber white. It's called amber white. Get them like an amber white, or like a little bit of baby powder, or something like, what I want to say, John Paul Gaultier. John Paul Gaultier is always nice for little youngsters, like 17, 18, well, teenagers, excuse me. But that's always nice for youngsters too. John Paul Gaultier. Let's see what else, what I think of. How could I forget it? How could I forget? Old school jupe. Old school jupe. Jupe is nice. It has a little sting to it. I don't know if you know about that jupe because it's old school, but even if you're not a jupe, you could do a 1 Million Man. Paco Rabanne. That's similar. You know what I mean? Stuff like that. But yeah, let's get on with this. I'm going to put a little bit of my mix in there. And I got a little bit. So we're doing Patti, my mix. Where's that Patti? Patti, my mix. Put my glasses back on. What you up to? Instead of watching my video, what are you smelling like? Are you giving gifts? Is it just the average chocolate and the average flower? Or is it going to be that plus something else? Or turn them onto something, or mix something. If you have fragrances already, go mix them something. So I know people are here and, you know, you do your own thing. We all do. And then I'm just sharing you when I'm doing mine. But that, the Patty, the My Mix,